Cool, so just a short one about filtering in traffic. We're going to filter to the front. As you can see, I've got a nice central reservation which gives me a lot of space. So, mirror, shoulder, nice and slow, and I'm actually going to keep it under 20. There's no rush. I'm already winning by being on a bike. I'm cold as hell, but I do get to go to the front. So coming up to junctions, I'm watching that no car is coming up, that no one's letting anyone in. Coming up to right-hand junctions, I'm thinking about vehicles turning in as well. Bit of an island there, so I'm just going to do a quick left shoulder, move back in, allow the traffic to move past this island. And then as soon as I'm past it, quick right, shoulder, and then move out again. And again, thinking about right-hand junctions and vehicles turning in, so I'm watching for things like the driver's head in the mirror, indicators, of course, if they can be bothered. Thank you very much. Turning wheels, things like that to watch for right-hand turns, and then left-hand junctions, like this one coming up here. I'm seeing for any approaching vehicles wanting to come out. And then obviously looking up ahead, seeing what's coming up, seeing of any incoming vehicles. If anyone's coming up and I'm thinking they're going to be in my way, I'm moving early. I want to be looking up as far ahead as I can. See again, right-hand junctions, I'm watching for these vehicles, being vigilant that no one's going to turn in front of me. And just gently and slowly, I move to the front. I don't need to bomb it down here. Well, this car looks like they're about to move out, so we're going to stay back. They're either turning right or they want to see up ahead. So now that they're stopped, I can slowly move up maybe. There we go. It's just busy checking her phone. And again, right hand reservation, so I'm just taking it slow, thinking about if anyone needs to turn in or wants to turn in. I'm ready for it. And we're at the front. Nice and safely, saving a little bit of time, not rushing. A little bit of an easy filtering session in the morning. Peace.